Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee lock picking. Today I have this really cute master lock. It's number 77. I'm sure you've all have seen them. This one has the box and it is cool. I like this. It says pin tumbler protection at a popular price for apartment lockers, sheds, liquor cabinets, storage rooms, toolboxes, and trunks. And it still has the box. So once I pick this on camera, I probably won't be playing with this a whole lot. This thing is just perfect. It has not been used. It's gorgeous shape. Just beautiful. Isn't that cool? Okay, here's the keyway. Let's see if we can get it open. Sometimes it'll pop right open and sometimes it takes a while. So, I mean, it's not like I've picked this a ton either, but okay, I don't know, I might have the wrong pick for this. We'll see. We'll click there. 4, 3. Another little click in the back. Alright, I think I've got it. Surely do. Okay. Well, that wasn't too bad. I don't know if I would put that on. But back in those days, people left their bicycles in their front yard and they were still there in the morning. So there you go. Everything has to go high tech now. Anyways, yeah, this was one of my locks that I won from Starrylock in his giveaway. He let me pick out 8 locks, and this was one of them. And I thank you again, sir, for sending it to me. It is gorgeous. Well, guys, hope you have a wonderful week, and you come back real soon. Bye-bye.